Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a work permit. First, identify the correct work permit category for your employment situation. This initial step is crucial for a smooth application. Next, begin gathering all required documents, ensuring they are current and complete. Finally, confirm your passport and any existing visas are valid for the entire duration of your application and intended stay. To proceed, you will need a valid passport and any current immigration visas. Also, gather your birth certificate and, if applicable, your marriage certificate. Don't forget to include all academic qualifications, such as diplomas and transcripts, along with letters detailing your professional experience. Having these documents organized will significantly speed up your application. Once your documents are ready, accurately complete the official work permit application form. Pay close attention to every detail to avoid delays. Next, you'll need to pay the required application fee. This amount can vary, often ranging from $100 to $500, depending on the country and permit type. Finally, attend any scheduled interviews or biometric appointments promptly. Remember to submit your application well in advance of your current visa's expiration date to avoid any legal issues. After submission, diligently track your application status online using the unique reference number provided. This helps you stay informed about its progress. Also, for other great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Staying hydrated is always important.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.